How do you make authentic Cheung Fun at home? Achieving the perfect texture could be tricky for a lot of people, but don't worry, I have got you covered.
I'll share with you all my secrets. Come on!
In a pan over medium-low heat, add the oil. I pre-soaked the dry shrimp for about 1 hour. Add the dry shrimp. Stir fry until aromatic for about 1 minute. You can replace the dry shrimp with shrimp, beef, pork, or even char siu. Add the scallions and mix together. In a bowl, add the hot water and sugar. Pour in the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. Mix well. I love this sauce, it's super tasty. Just give it a try and let me know what you think about it. Wheat starch is available in most Chinese supermarkets in the flour section. If you can't have gluten, you can also replace it with corn starch. We're gonna add the wheat starch, tapioca starch, rice flour, 1 teaspoon of oil, and water. Whisk. Ta-da! This combination will have a perfectly soaky Cheung Fun. You'll see. We're going to prepare about 2 tablespoons of oil as a non-stick coating. In any heat-resistant container, I'm using a 9x9 cake pan. Brush a dash of oil all over it. Whisk the batter again. Make sure to do this every time before adding the batter into the container, because all the flour and starch will sink to the bottom after a while. Pour a thin layer of the mixture into the container. In my case, it's 1/3 of a cup. You could add more or less depending on the size of your container. In a large steamer over high heat, bring water to a complete boil. Place the container inside and move it around to make sure everything is level. This is really important. Then we're going to cover the lid and steam for about 3 minutes until completely cooked through. And this is the moment we have been waiting for. Remove the container and cool down for about a minute. On a clean working surface, brush a dash of oil on it. Taking it out could also be tricky. My tip is to use a plastic bowl scraper. You could also use a spatula. Scrape the Cheung Fun to loosen it up and carefully pull it up. Place the Cheung Fun flat, smooth side down. Add the filling over it and fold it up. Trim off the 2 sides. Do the same with the rest. Serve the Cheung Fun with the sauce.
This is absolutely delicious. It has an amazing cute texture, definitely dim sum restaurant quality. I love it. If you also like to make shrimp Cheung Fun at home, check out the video right here. And please comment below and let me know what is your favorite filling for Cheung Fun. Subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!
Would you like to watch exclusive behind-the-scenes content? Please become a supporter. Your support helps me in creating more easy-to-follow Asian recipes. Thank you for being awesome.